Hello kings and queens, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a SHEIN haul. I'm doing a haul because I bought a bunch of white clothes from SHEIN for my wedding activities. So that includes all my appointments, dress and hair, makeup, my dress rehearsal, my bachelorette trip. I wanted to always have some type of white on or all white on, and I had to do this affordably because I was on a budget. So SHEIN was the best place. The first dress I bought was a disappointment just because of the lining. It was too short. I tested it around the house. Like as soon as I started walking like with flats, the lining would come up and show everything. So that was a huge disappointment, and I don't know if it's worth ever going to get the dress altered with like extending the lining. I don't know. We'll see. If you ever see me in it, that means I took it to the seamstress. Other than that, I'm not going to be wearing this dress because it's just too dangerous. And then the next dress is a 10 out of 10. I really love this dress. If I ever do wear this, it would be now in the summer when it's hot, and this dress is going to be very cool, very relaxing because it's flowy, has a split. You know, I don't have too much going on around my neck or my arms. I do have to be mindful of my boobs, so I would wear a bra with this just because it doesn't give any support at all. But this dress is super cute. I brought this with me on my trip, but end up not wearing it, but I do plan to wear it this summer. This next dress was a surprise. The material is super thick, too thick for any type of heat. I would save this for the winter time. The lining is also very short in this one as well, so I don't know why they even bothered with it. But I would not wear this with this heat right now. This is good for winter time because of how thick it is. This next outfit is a 10 out of 10. It's a two-piece. So you have the top and the bottom is a skirt. So skirt is shorts and a skirt combined. I wore this on the Sunday after my wedding to brunch, and the brunch was outside in the Florida heat, so this was like perfect. I did not sweat at all that day, and I had my fan. I was under the little umbrella, and I had this outfit on, and I was chilling, and I looked it so cute. And I'm gonna put a picture up for y'all so y'all can see me and my husband that day, because we were like Beyonce and Jay-Z, okay? We were just married, and I was feeling myself and he was feeling himself too. And with this outfit, I paired it with my wedding heels. My wedding heels were open toe platform heels, so they went perfect with this outfit. I was getting compliments and everything. So definitely 10 out of 10. Did not disappoint with this one. The next dress that I have, I end up wearing this to my brother's graduation, and I wore it on my bachelorette trip, and both times it was super beautiful, very flowy, perfect for the summer heat. And it just was like, I'm a baddie, but I'm not doing too much. I'm chilling on y'all today. And I paired it with flats. I bought these cute flats from SHEIN that went perfect with this dress. I just love this dress. I love dresses like this. It's just quick and easy. The next dress, I definitely had a hard time with this one because I cannot put this on by myself. I have to have someone there to help me. Either that be my husband or a friend to help zip me up, because by myself, the zipper is just too cheap and like it's not going anywhere, okay? But I do like the little corset at the top by the boobs. I wish the corset did go down a little farther, but it's still giving what it needs to give. I like that it scrunches up, so I can wear it very smooth or scrunched up, you know, because I'm thickalicious. I am showing you here how long the dress is. I'm 5'5", and the dress is hitting the floor. Even when I put heels on for this dress, because I did wear this to dinner with the girls on our bachelorette trip, and I still had to pick up the dress so it wouldn't scrape the ground and get too dirty. This next dress, I super love this dress. I honestly have this dress in similar styles in different colors. I have a brown one, a black one, and a red one, but the straps are different, but same kind of design with the scrunch up. I love this style. Like, it's so easy to throw on. Put some flats on if you want, put some heels on, dress it up, dress it down, and it's a perfect going out outfit with the girls, with your man, and you're gonna look sexy, you're gonna look cute, and it looks good on slim girls, and it looks good on thick, juicy girls. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay, this next outfit though, my shorts are tight in this video, and by the time I'm making this video, like posting it, I no longer can fit in these shorts, just to let y'all know. And the top, it's okay. It's one of those tops that you just have in your closet, just to have in your closet for a day you can't find nothing else to wear. It is giving me Fifth Element vibes as well. And this skirt, catfish, because on the website I was hesitant at first to buy it because I was like, I don't want to get no mini skirt. But when I looked at the pictures, I was like, I can do this. I did squeeze my butt in it, but look at it, y'all. I feel like I'm a freshman in college again, wearing Forever 21 mini skirts to the club. No, we're not doing that no more. We're too mature for that. I don't want to have to walk and every 5 seconds I'm pulling down my skirt. Now, this skirt is a cute look for like a photo shoot where, I'm just taking pictures and I'm taking it off. But it's not for going out and eating, dancing, none of that, girl. I can't even, no. It's not for that at all. And with the top, it's definitely a no. So, don't recommend. This next top, I do recommend though. I give this top a 10 out of 10. I love it. I love the pattern. It is perfect for going out. It's perfect for a work top. I did wear this to work before. And I actually also wore this top to my dress rehearsal as well. I paired it with a skirt. And I loved it. It's really cute. You can wear it tucked in or take it out. Now, this outfit, don't recommend. The skirt looks like something that I have in the back of my closet, and I'm not going to ever look at it again. It did not make it to Cuba. It didn't make it anywhere. I actually never wore the skirt. And the top, I didn't wear it either because it's see-through. I had to put a bra on because you could see my nipples, and I was not about to be out here naked. I did like the top online, and I feel like it has potential, but I don't know what that potential is yet. So both of these things are just in my closet right now until one day I can find out what to do with them. Maybe the skirt, I put it with the t-shirt, and I did try this top with a different skirt. So I'm showing you, I tried it with this skirt just to give it a more realistic, picture. I got this skirt at Ross on sale for $10, and I did like it with this skirt. It looks 100 times better, but still we have the issue of it being see-through. And I've never wore like nip covers before. Like, I don't know if I'm comfortable with that. And I also tried the skirt on with another top I bought from SHEIN. It's like a corset, but not doing too much, not suffocating you. It's really comfortable. I also need help to put this top on because it has a zipper in the back, and I don't know yet how to put these type of types on without the assistance. So you see the zipper right there. But I definitely could see myself wearing this outfit with some red heels and red lipstick. And the last outfit that I got, it looks like a two-piece, but it's not. It is a one dress, and I love it. I love the cutout where the stomach is, the slide split. This is another summer dress that I'm going to wear, but I'm going to say this for my man. This is not for a girl's night. This is for my man, so I could be on him, because he loved this dress. He loved it. He said I looked sexy for sure. So we're going to save this for my man. But I love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, kings and queens, peace, love, and happiness. Bye.